What we're trying to do over these 2 days is really debunk the very complex notion of sustainable fashion. It's really about the conversation and trying to figure out where we all stand. And sustainable fashion is this interesting thing that is between material culture, because it still has material, and value-based behavior. Just accepting that it's complex is then a good leverage point to then have a proper and good conversation about it. A group of concerned citizens can change the world. In fact, it's the only ones who ever did, right? And I think all that we can do is to try. Will they change the world? I don't know. But if they never came together, they definitely wouldn't.
Fashion is the second most contaminating industry in the world, second only to oil. That, for me, is extraordinary. How can it be that it takes 22,000 litres of water to produce one t-shirt and one pair of jeans made of organic cotton? So it's time to take up arms and do something about it.
Hay muchas personas que consumen moda, que producen moda, que trabajan en el mundo de la moda. Y la sostenibilidad tiene que ir calando cada vez más en todos ellos, tanto en los que la producen, los que la diseñan, como en los que la consumimos.
Está llegando al consumidor. Los ejemplos que tenemos a lo largo de este taller, por ejemplo, hoy, nos demuestra que la moda sostenible está ya llegando a los consumidores y está ya llegando a la calle, digamos.
Ahora mismo hay en España un grupo de jóvenes diseñadores que están muy interesados en la sostenibilidad, no solamente en lo que tiene que ver con los materiales, ¿no?, o con el sistema de producción, sino con la sostenibilidad como fenómeno global. Ahora mismo yo creo que empieza a haber ese interés, pero necesitamos también por parte de los medios de comunicación que expliquen bien en qué consiste la sostenibilidad.
For us, as a startup, it was really important to be completely resourceful. So we felt that whenever we spent £1, we had to extract like 20 pounds worth of value from it. So when we craft our garments from one piece of cloth, we had to figure out a way on how to utilize the waste from it as well. And so we decided to create a circular world that consists of all the things we love. We felt that we needed to close the loop and create a new fashion system that made sense for us and our passion.